Hello, I'm Kerwin, and I need a new welding cart.
So what's wrong with it? Well, I've just got too much stuff. I've got one hook and 5 cables. A separate cart and a table is a pain in the rear. My gas tanks are mounted poorly with the gauges being subject to damage. I'm completely unorganized. I have no storage for protective gear, accessories, consumables, tools. I don't have enough outlets where I can toast and weld at the same time. I want to incorporate a welding curtain for bystanders and neighbors.
So, so I'm going to make another one. All right.
All right, so there she is in all of her glory. I was able to hit all of my requirements. It holds my welder, 2 gas tanks, and a plasma cutter. It combines a cart and a welding table. The table has both clamp holes and a flat area with no holes. The table has a sliding extension for long stock and any add-ons that I might be able to come up with later. The gas tanks mount solidly, and the gauges are well protected inside of the frame. I have drawers and racks for organization. I have a single power connection, power strips on the cart. I have a welding curtain that is removable. I have tool storage for snippers, grinders, clamps, and it's mobile on casters and fits into my closet at the back of the garage. So overall, I'm really happy with this. This is the first thing that I've ever built with welding from the ground up, and the largest thing that I've done. I was very pleased with how relatively easy it all came together and assembled, and just the way that it works. I'm glad I had the old cart first, because I worked with that for about 6 months, and it allowed me to figure out what is good and what is bad about a cart, what works for me. Also to figure out what is my workflow, how do I work, the kinds of projects that I work on. And that helped me to figure out how to design this to place the tools for easiest access to fit inside of that workflow. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. Will I end up building another one in a year or two? Yeah, probably. Until then, this is what I got. So thanks for watching.